iPhone 13 Pro got camera update and new display. Last year, Apple chose to release 4 iPhone 12 models. It looks like the US smartphone manufacturer will roll out a similar strategy in 2021. An iPhone 13 mini and an iPhone 13 with 2 Pro models in the form of an iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max are expected. With the current lineup, Apple is able to achieve impressive sales results, with the base model, the iPhone 12, selling the best. Hey, what's up everyone? Anwar here, and this is TechNewLeaks. So let's get started. Although it will be months before Apple will introduce the iPhone 13 series or iPhone 12s series, it seems that quite a few details are already known about the new models. The iPhone 13 Pro is expected to have a new screen and a better camera setup. Apple may also see an opportunity to implement Touch ID under the display this year. The design was already renewed last year. The straight edges and flat sides will most probably also be characteristics of the new 2021 models. Apple is expected to slightly reduce the controversial notch that made its appearance with the iPhone 10 in 2017. According to another rumor, Apple will provide at least one model with another notable design change. One of the iPhone 13 models would be portless and therefore not have a lightning connection. Thus, only wireless charging would be supported. This is where the Apple MagSafe accessory comes into play. Huge thanks to graphic designer Technizo Concept, who has made a series of 3D product renders of the expected iPhone 13 Pro in collaboration with Let's Go Digital. The new iPhone model will probably get the same screen size as last year. For the Pro model, this means a 6.1-inch display. For the time being, iPhones only support the 60Hz refresh rate, while many Android smartphones now also support 120Hz or even 144Hz. This number indicates how often the screen is being refreshed per second. The Apple iPhone 13 Pro will probably be equipped with a ProMotion screen with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. It is a low-temperature polycrystalline oxide OLED display that will be manufactured by Samsung. The ALEC reported at the beginning of this year. The new iPhone 13 Pro models are expected to be the first Apple smartphone with LTPO OLED display. Apple mainly focused on Face ID. It is possible that the iPhone 13 Pro models will again have Touch ID and that the sensor will be placed under the screen this time. Naturally, the new iPhone 13 models will also be equipped with updated hardware in the form of the 5nm A15 Bionic processor. This renewed chip will also enable 5G and Wi-Fi 6 support. As for the price, the iPhone 13 Pro will have a starting price of €1160 for 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage version, while the Pro Max will cost €1260 for 6GB of RAM and 128GB of base model. A year earlier, the iPhone XS and XS Max retailed at the same prices. Although the launch of the iPhone 12 series took place a month later than previous years, Apple appears to be planning for a September release in 2021. Presumably, the devices will be announced mid-September. The official release will then take place at the end of September 2021. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max this year? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.